Today, we're going to be going over how to do basic stage makeup for high schoolers. This is a great method for people who are inexperienced, people who are looking for something cheap, or people who are looking for something fast. This, in total, took me about 10 minutes to do. First, we'll start out by using primer. This is a primer from Wet n Wild. It is color correcting. So we're going to take the product and apply it on our fingers and then rub it in to the best of our ability. This primer is only about $10 from Target. Now that the primer is all rubbed in, we're going to get started on foundation. This foundation is from Maybelline. It was about $13 or so at Target. So we're going to apply this foundation to 5 areas of the face. Those 5 areas were the forehead, the cheeks, the nose, and the chin. This is because those areas are most prone to acne, scarring, and redness all over. Now, we're going to take our fingers again, or whatever you use to blend your makeup in, and start rubbing it in. After everything's rubbed in, if you did it with your fingers or a brush, I like to go over it with a damp, not wet, but damp beauty blender, just to blend it all in and make it all the more seamless. Now that the foundation is all blended in, we're going to go in with a contour. This is a Wonder Stick from NYX, so that means that there is a contour and a bronzer option of it. So we're going to take the contour side and go into 5 areas of the face. There's the cheekbones, the temples, under the lip, under the eyebrows and into the nose, and of course the jawline. Now the purpose of stage makeup is to have it stand out amongst the bright stage lights so the audience can see you from afar. So don't worry too much about perfectly blending it in. So either way, take your damp beauty blender and start blending away. Now I got this contour at Target for about $8 or so. Now that we're all done with contour, we'll be moving on to concealer. I got this concealer at CVS for about $10 or $11. It is from CoverGirl. Now concealer is used to cover up all the problem spots and add to the contour. So we're going to do the under eyes, over the cheeks, over the jawline, the nose, and any problem spots, so acne, redness, etc. Then, of course, we're going to take our damp beauty blender once again and begin blending it out. Now we move on to blush. I used a lip plump from Revolution as my blush. This is beneficial because it adds both blush and lip into the same product. It's cheaper and it looks great as a blush because of how vibrant it is. Now, you're just going to apply the product to your finger and then put it on what spots you want the blush to be located at and then blend it out. Now our lady is almost done, but she needs some beautiful peepers and some eyebrows, so I'll be right back with those. And here she is, the finished product. Ain't she just a beaut?